This will do for me, Dad. I don't have any more containers. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so we're going to clean out the fridge tomorrow. Not sure what this is. Now for the oh, yeah, did it with that. Oh, that's it right here. Alright, so I'm gonna put that chicken in here for my dad. Dad. That one that's for me. That chicken can go in here and in here. Yeah? Yeah. Right. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Smash that like button. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Also, like and subscribe to the Wiggles second YouTube channel, which is the Wiggles Legacy. I wonder what my dad is doing. Also, yeah. Smash that like button on us and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok and Instagram. Also, like and subscribe to kids. Like and subscribe to the children's YouTube channel. Click that like button. And turn on your post notifications to get Marcus videos and Marcus playlists. Also, like and subscribe to From the Past YouTube channel. Click that like button and stay tuned for more videos and more playlists coming soon. Also, I think that's cooked.
Maybe wait for a bit, few minutes.
Yeah.
10 minutes, I guess.
Yep.
15.
Also, like and subscribe to my cooking and baking. Cooking and baking YouTube channel. Hit that like button. And follow me on. No. I love the chicken music. Also, turn on your post notifications to get more videos and more playlists of my cooking and baking YouTube channel. Guys, stay tuned.
Is this one working? Your egg sauce?
Yeah.
You want me to turn
Stay
it on?
tuned for it's making. King. Also, be on the lookout for more surprises coming your way. And of course, there'll be 3 to more 7 YouTube channels coming soon. What am I doing now? Can you point your fingers? And keep on wiggling. Please.